CTEM. It's not tool related. It's just about making the smart decisions and making sure you know what you need to know.
Given CTEM is a process, it's not a tool that you can buy off the shelf. Anyone that says you can is not telling the truth. How can organizations adopt it without necessarily buying lots of new standalone tools?
Yeah, I mean, I think you kind of almost answered the question there. It's a process, it's not a tool. So it's looking at how you implement and deploy those. I mean, like, good news, bad news, tooling that you buy X number of years ago sometimes just doesn't work for what you need today. And that's an unfortunate reality. Stuff becomes obsolete all the time. But equally, how confident are you that every single one of those tools is deployed and is working perfectly into its full capacity? You know, the tool that you bought because it did ASM 4 years ago, have you actually discovered the vulnerability parts of it? Is it doing that asset management sort of style testing and so on? So I would focus, you know, just start to the left of the process, look at the scoping. Do you understand where everything is and what you need to protect? Okay, great. You may be able to do that with your current tools. Hopefully you can. So you then kind of slowly kind of work your way through, and you may need to buy another tool. You may need to, you know, put a little bit of manual work in. You may be able to automate something. But I think if you're doing things right on a security point of view, it shouldn't be too much of a shift. You know, look at software development. Everything used to be waterfall. You start at the left and you go step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You now kind of prioritize kind of workload based on what you need at that particular moment. And it's a similar sort of concept with CTEM. It's not tool related. It's just about making the smart decisions and making sure you know what you need to know.